Hola, bienvenido a clase hoy. Terminamos capítulo 3 hoy. Ayer aprendimos los verbos AR y IR y las conjugaciones. So ER verbs for comer would be como, comes, come, comemos, comen. And IR verbs like vivir would be vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, viven. I hope you've gotten practice. I hope you've been practicing that. The best way I know how to tell you to learn those is to do it in a chart form, similar to how the book does it. Just write it out and write it out over and over and over again until you get really comfortable with it. You can practice each of the verbs in each chapter like that. There are lots of different ways to do it. That would be my suggestion. So we're going to finish up chapter 3 today. There's telepuntos. I do hope that you're taking advantage of that. A leer empieza en página 90, page 90. La lectura cultural tiene información sobre México. Lean la lectura cultural sobre México y en otros países hispanos y los tres símbolos mexicanos y una importante figura histórica. So, okay. Una importante figura histórica es Sor Juana Inés de la Cruz. Sor would be like sister, like how we would say, like how a Catholic person would say, like, that's Sister Juana Inés de la Cruz. So that's what Sor is. And then you can skip to page 94, 94, and resumen en este capítulo. So this is these are the wonderful pages that tell you all the vocabulary we've learned in this chapter, and it gives you a brief review of the grammatica that we did in this chapter as well. Tomorrow is the review day for chapter 3. There is going to be a brief 10-question quiz about chapter 3 vocabulary and ask you to conjugate some verbs, make some adjectives agree in gender and in number with the subject. And then the next day after that, Thursday, is the first exam. This will be the examen uno over capítulos 1 a 3. So this is going to have information over chapters 1 to 3. It will have vocabulary, it will have verb conjugations, it will have grammar, it will have slash sentences where you have to make the sentence make sense by adding or changing words as necessary. So there will be a review there's a review sheet posted for that as well. So I hope that you use tomorrow to finish up chapter 3 and to study for chapter 4, and all of the homework for chapter 3 is due tomorrow as well. Study for the test, not chapter 4. So as always, you can email or text me if you have any questions about anything while you're studying, and if not, good luck on the test, and I will see you next class.